I'm on a boat. I'm heading to an island off the coast of Mozambique. It's an hour and a half. Doesn't feel like Africa. I don't really know where we are. Somewhere in Mozambique.
Until you guys check out. So.
Good morning from Mozambique. We are going scuba diving today. Not sure where. I know they said the boat's going that way, but I'm going to go get suited up. Going fishing today. I was like, oh, can I drive? And he looked up, he's like, oh yeah, sure. And then just like kept going. And I was like, so, he's like, oh no, one engine. I was like, oh, I know how to do that. Like, do I do? And I just like pushed one lever up and we just started spinning in circles. We're out of gas. You just have to put the things that suck the gas into it. It's like when a water jug starts to run out, you just have to leave. But we're on a boat.
Nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat.
Our captain and fisherman guy, he knows Bob Marley, doesn't know Motley Crue, doesn't know Nas X, doesn't know Post Malone. There was one more than he knew though. It was the Doors. I'm a working man now. Woo! So we just got back from the island and we're on our way to the airport to go to South Africa. Thank you.
It's nice meeting you, eh?
You too. Thank you for helping him.
Okay.
His hole.
Yeah.
This is our shortest flight of the summer, only an hour, 2 hours or something.